Morning, little Dave.
Morning, Big Pete.
What we're doing today?
Well, we're walking from Abbotsbury into Weymouth today.
At the moment we're waiting for the bus. So it's about a 15 miler.
Yeah,
So
yeah, mainly flat though, so we just hope there's not too much shingle.
We'll see you on the way. Alright, let's get photo.
Well, they're probably from one of the in the straight, one that's some behind it.
It's very nice, isn't it? Come on, little Dave.
Maybe they're not up yet.
Well, you know what swans are like.
There's the toads.
Flaky swan. What are you doing, Dave? I think it's the way.
Yeah, stick both in. Hello, little Pete.
Hello, little Dave. This is nice, isn't it, Dave? Yeah. I'm recording now. Lots of pheasants today, but none up here.
This is a bit.
Not one of the most favourite crossings, eh, Dave? Yeah, you be careful. I've got this filming just in case you do fall over. I bet it's the same on the other side as well. Hang on. You're very stuck. Hang on, stay still. It's your pole.
Isn't it?
Hang on.
There you go. Alright, I don't know whether to just
You're free now.
step down. Right.
Try and get your leg over. Oh! You're alright.
Yeah.
Where's the coast, Dave? Think of it so far, Dave?
It's been a nice walk. With a couple of muddy, slippy places. On the whole, it's very pleasant. Very quiet out in the countryside. Haven't seen a soul.
Just on the way down to the coast now. That's the Weymouth.
Yes, I think we'll have a pint of Weymouth tea.
No, I'm just drinking water today, Dave.
Okay.
With hops in it.
Yeah. Well, this is actually to for sanitation really, because
The water's not that
water's not that good. So you have to put a bit.
I don't know whether you can hear our feet. But we're rather waterlogged. No. Let's skirt a bit further out. It's very boggy through there, little David,
Yeah,
isn't
a
it?
little bit.
sugar, isn't it? Good test for the Gore-Tex. Tad, isn't it? Joy. Not come across much of that, have we? Hey! Oh, thought that was the sea then. Probably me that goes out over tea. Then that would ruin the filming a little bit. Does it? It's very slippy, isn't it?
We're going for the straddle.
Ah, you see, you've succumbed, haven't you? Yeah. Oh God, somebody's put a plank there. Yeah, foot stuck on a bramble. Oh, walking the plank.
What's the microphone?
Tell me, David.
Might get shot.
Come on, piggy. What does that mean? Are we? We made it to the end of the firing range anyway, Dave, without getting shot.
Yeah.
Finally! That's only taken us 10 miles.
Just focus down the schedule.
It's the Isle of Portland. Deep. If it's closed, isn't it? I'd rather not slump into the sea. Take the alternative route. Just about to rejoin the path. Nearly made it, David.
Yes.
Why did you do that?
So listen to it.
bad at all, really.
There are streets and places to look. That's what's the spoon
I think it's down near the front. Put you onto the ice cream.